Okay.
What is automatic tournament drag?
I was
So,
gonna ask.
yan. Yan yung unang tatanungin eh. Ano ba yung automatic tournament drag? Automatic tournament drag is pag sinet mo sa 1 kilo yung drag mo, yung hindi niya iintayin na umabot yung 1 kilo bago siya bumigay ng linya.
Okay.
So bago pa mag-reach ng 1 kilo, bumibigay na siya pa konti-konti. So that hindi na pressure yung buong reel at yung line.
Okay. That's besides the air bail pa, no? So,
That's besides the air bail.
galing,
Yeah.
galing.
And they invented it 2018.
Wow. Oh, so ahead sa...
Ahead. So, eto ngayon ang naging basis nila kung para sa everything. So, automatic tournament drag, air bail, air rotor, shallow spool, tough DG gear.
Yan pa lang yung basic.
This is the basic.
Galing, galing na.
Yeah, this is the basic.
Oo.
So, dito nila pinagsimulan nang magtataka kasi yung ibang tao na why this thing doesn't die. Kahit sa Japan, meron pa rin may following to, may cult sila na dito almost. Kasi
I see.
pinipimp na nila to and everything.
Okay.
So pinapalitan ng ganito, ganyan. So parang it's a collector's thing na ginagawa nila. So meron silang club para sa
base unit siya.
Yeah, base unit.
Galing.
Yeah. So pag tinignan mo, since ito yung ginamit nila, nung 2020 naglabas sila ng Crossfire.
Okay.
Now with Crossfire, makikita mo, hindi siya air rotor.
Oo nga, no? Yeah.
This one is air rotor.
Tama.
Parang letter U siya na
Yeah,
ganyan. So this one naging mas magaan. Ito mas mabigat. But this is cheaper. This is cheaper. This is more expensive.
I see.
Kasi air rotor siya, ito hindi. So pareha silang entry level. Pero this one is more expensive. So among the entry levels, meron yang mas mataas, mas mababa. Minsan magtataka ka, puro naman kayo entry levels. Bakit?
Actually, confusion minsan eh.
Yes,
yun
yes.
pala yun.
So this one is air rotor, air bail.
Okay.